The Buffalo B1200 has been a very popular model out here in the UK, and we'll talk you through why. This is one of our larger machines with side joystick controls, so it's very user-friendly, operator-friendly when you're working away and you don't want to operate on the front and you'd rather on the side. At the same time, it has a lot of other extra specs that you wouldn't necessarily see in other machines. For example, this one actually comes with expandable tracks, so it's great for tight access areas where, for example, you need a big digging power over 1 ton, but at the same time you need narrow access like a micro digger. So you sort of get 2 in 1 here. You get tight access, but you still get the power of a bigger machine that's 1.2 tons. This machine actually comes with a Coupe's single-cylinder diesel engine, which then powers our massive hydraulic pump, and that's it. Very simple and very easy to use, and that's what really powers this whole machine. All the rams, the track motors, expandable tracks, you name it. Along with this, it also comes with additional hydraulic valves down here for any of your other attachments like hydraulic breakers, augers, hydraulic thumbs, you name it. So you can really spec this machine with attachments depending on what type of project you've got going on. Now this machine is meant for slightly more heavy duty work for micro diggers. So not only does it do landscaping, patios, driveways, it will also do footings and much deeper work, which is what you want on, say, a job site or, for example, plant hire. Other than that, there's not much to it. It's really nice because it is obviously a very cool looking machine, but it is still incredibly simple, and I know we bang on about it, but nothing's over-engineered, and we love it, and that's why we sell loads of them, and people appreciate that as well. So if you'd like to have a look, give us a call, come down, we'd love to show you around, or if not, simply go on our website and have a look at all the specs there, and we'll be more than happy to help. Cheers.